Hey folks, today is April 4th. It's now about 11 o'clock in the morning. We're going to look and see if we can take a trade with the TR Profit system. I did finally hear back from Toshko about the Intelligent Trade Finder, and apparently he had a webinar. I wasn't able to attend it, but he mentioned that the Intelligent Trade Finder should be available Monday afternoon or Tuesday. So since today's Monday, I'll check it this afternoon, and if not, hopefully it'll be available tomorrow so we can go ahead and take a look at it and see how it works. But for right now, let's see if we have any potential trades. Looks like this right here was a potential trade. Currently up 22 pips. We would have used a stop of about 17. All right, so that definitely would have been hit. That would have been a winning trade right there. We could have taken our profit before the market got to this level. All right, all twos, all red, below zero. Nice big red bar here, green bar beneath it. Got the red arrow. We need the blue line to be under the yellow line, which happened here. And obviously the white line is under the purple line, as you guys can see right there, kinda. Let me see if I can make that a little bigger. All right, so here's the white line right here. You can see it's under the purple. That one would have had a pretty small stop and would have been able to make quite a nice profit on this one, on this bar right here, as it dropped pretty heavily. All right, here we're above zero, all greens. We have a green bar forming right here, green arrow up here, blue line is above the yellow line, white line is just about to cross above the purple. So this is a potential long trade. Right now, all we're waiting on is, it looks like, for this bar to close, which should be happening any moment now. There's some potential resistance right here at this level. All right, let's take a look at this. White line definitely closed above the purple line. But this is let me see here. I like to get in with a 20 pip stop. So if the market comes down to this level, that would be acceptable, because I can still place my first profit target maybe about right here. But I definitely want to see it pull back some. $1.42833. If we use that, 16, so that's about 1-to-1. 1.42829. Let's see if we can get in maybe around there. And if we do, that'll be a good spot to enter. All right, so it looks like that's really our only opportunity here. Don't want to take this trade because I'm sure there's going to be well, I assume there's going to be some resistance right here, and I don't want to jump in and have to get past it. I'd rather take my profit before the market hits this level up here. All right, so I'll go ahead and pause it. We're at 4 minutes. I'll try to keep this under 10 minutes, and we'll see what happens. All right, folks, I just took a look at the GBP Japanese yen. As you can see, still all twos, all reds down here. We're under zero. Got a nice big red bar. White's under purple. You got this red arrow back here. And as you can see, the blue line crossed above the yellow, and it just now crossed back below yellow right here. So if this bar closes with that blue line continuing to be under yellow, we can look at taking this trade. We got this long wick here, but I don't think that should be a problem. Also a potential trade here if we get another green arrow Market might come down, bounce off of this white line, and then continue pushing up. All right, let's go ahead and jump in on a sell here. Sell market. All right, let me pause it and I'll be back with you guys momentarily. All right, folks, just a quick update. I'm going to move my stop to this safe zone right here. This is about where the system would have me have my stop, and we'll move this down as well so that everything's still 1-to-1. All right, folks, just another quick update here. We're finally starting to push down into profit nicely. Very nicely, actually. If we wanted to, we could move our stop down to here. To cut some of that risk. It's a bit lopsided right now. We'll go ahead and put this back to 1-to-1. And I also want to show you guys, looks like we're a little bit larger than 1-to-1. Our profit target's a little bit larger, but that'll be okay. Not a big deal. I also want to show you guys the back office today. And if I remember, I want to take a look at the some of the bonuses that they give. But first, let's take a look at the post your trades area just to see what everybody else is doing. All right, hi Toshko, quite happy with this trade on the H4. Closed it an hour ago. Let's see what he did here. 602 pips on a 4-hour chart. Not bad at all. Let's keep going here. All right, congrats on your winner and keep making more of them. Let's find the next chart here. All right, I'm finding the old TR combo very useful. I see what you mean, but this is not what I've used in the past. But this is what I've used in the past, okay? All right, Ivan, I've seen a few of his trades. 2.8%, 560 pips. Wow. This is the 1-hour chart. As you guys can see, a lot of the people that are using the hourly and the 4-hourly time frames are definitely getting some good results, much higher pip returns. Hi, thanks for this marvelous system. Please your advice for my first profitable trade and demo account. Looks like we have a short, or actually maybe it's back here that he took the trade. Let me see what he says here. Also, can we go with this minute chart in the future? I don't like this one because we have so many candles showing indecision. Then we have that candle with a really big upper wick, and then we have a really huge bullish candle prior to the event. Let me see this guy's chart here. A daily. Wow. All right, looks like he's in a couple profitable trades and also has one here, so might be right around break even on this. But I'm guessing this is a buy setup. I wouldn't have taken this one because the TRB wasn't above the 0 line. All right. Anyway, let me come back and take a look at. There should be a bonus section. As you guys can see here, Trade Assistant. It still says the same thing. You don't have access to this content yet. And I also saw that somebody else actually asked the vendor, Toshko, about this being released. We'll see if we can find that real quick. All right. Hello, Toshko. Since it's been 30 days since the purchase of the TR Profit system, are you going to be giving us access to the Trade Assistant soon? All right. It should be up by the end of this week, and I delayed it because he wanted to make some changes. All right. So the programmer's making those changes. Thank you, Toshko. I wouldn't want to be trading non-farm payroll with it anyways. All right. So that gives you guys the update to let you know why I haven't started that yet. But he says by the end of the week, looks like he has some changes he's trying to have made. So today is Monday. Hopefully by at least by the end of this week, we'll be able to take a look at it. All right, now let's go back and see what those bonuses look like that they give us. All right, progress gifts. Here they are here. All right, I'll tell you what. It looks like I definitely should have move this up a little bit more. We could have been out of that trade, so that's a bit bothersome, but we'll leave it on and just see what happens here. All right. And these gifts, I believe they give them out once every week or once every 2 weeks or something like that. But let's take a look and see what the first one is. All right, Profit Accelerator, gift 1. All right, so we have a webinar that we can watch to get more information about this. All right, this is going to give us suggestions on lot sizes and basically money management help, it looks like. So I can potentially look at adding that to the charts here. Progress gift number 2. And I also forgot to mention, this is trade 15. All right, welcome to the Profit Accelerator Gift 2 section. Profit Trend Predictor. Trading with the major trend ensures that we're on the right side of the market, side where the big guys are moving money, making money. It's important to trade in the same direction as the big guys. All right. All right. Let's see if we have number 3 release chip. All right, so TR Edge Major Trend. Looks like that's been released. Let's check number 4. All right, so that's not out yet. That just gives you kind of an idea of some of the extras that they offer you. All right, we're at 13 minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and we'll just wait to see what happens. All right, folks, this is the second time the market has come down to this level. And if we don't get a push through this time, that's going to tell me that for whatever reason, we're finding support here. So hopefully we'll be able to get through it on this occasion, on this push down rather. But as you can see, we basically stopped on the exact same spot as we did on this bar. So I'm hoping we can push through it. Yeah, it's definitely finding support there. We pulled that up about 1 pip. Every time it decides to bounce back up, that's giving the market another chance to push back up past our break-even level. And I ideally would like to go ahead and get out. I hate not being able to get out when we're so close to our profit target. It's a bit bothersome here, but Moved it up a pip. Don't want to alter things too much here. I want to keep it right around 1 to 1. But I like to listen to what the market's telling me, and right now it's telling me that this is going to be a level of support. Whether it decides to push past it later on, honestly, I don't really care. I just want to make sure that we get our first profit target out. All right, let me go ahead and pause it, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, let's try this one more time. We are now back to our profit target, and we just need a little bit of a push to get us taken out here. Don't want the market to have to make a new low. There it is, finally. Got our little push, and that was able to take us out. Obviously, there was some support at this level from somewhere, but we got through it. If we had a second order run, obviously we could still be in this trade, but that's not what I chose to do on this round. This is trade number 15. We've had 2 losses so far, and that means we've had 13 winners so far. All right, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to send them my way. You can visit me at EmpireAmbition.com and definitely click the link below to get more information. All right, talk to you guys later.